there is no perfect science, but there's an educated guess that you can take at the start. But let me just first split the entire finance field into majorly two domains. One is when we are talking about corporate finance, right, and the other part is the investment finance. Now, whenever we are talking about initial decision, right, so the decision has to be on the basis of whether I like to analyze different kinds of companies. Maybe if I am, let's say, in the IT sector, I am analyzing IT sector, so I get to expose myself into various IT companies, right? And then take a educated guess, or probably do analysis and learn about different businesses, right? On the other hand, corporate finance is when we are talking about working with a single company and being a part of that business and participating in the budgeting, forecasting, investment decisions of the company. So that's at a very basic level, the decision that can be taken. However, for example, in corporate finance, you could start in FP&A, right? You could start in costing, you could start in strategy, you could also start in treasury. Depends what your qualifications are, what kind of an entry point you get. In investment banking, obviously, you get opportunities as a fresher in equity research, where I am initially part of a team which analyzes a certain sector, right? I could also be a part of credit analysis. I could also be part of risk. So depends which area. I mean, do you like to participate or probably analyze different kinds of stocks? Then investment would make more sense. If you want to be part of a single business, then probably corporate finance would make sense. But again, that is all an educated guess. At the end, when you actually work in the industry, is where you finally realize what is more suitable for you. And that was the case with me as well, and that is the case with a lot of people. A lot of people start with equity research, end up getting into corporate finance, right? So that is a very generic advice on how do you decide the finance domain. I hope that helps.